If you're encountering an age restriction error on Tinder, there are a few steps you can take to fix it. First, check the birth date on the account you used to sign up, whether it's Facebook, Google, or Apple ID, since Tinder pulls your age from there. Make sure the date is correct in your account settings. If your age is accurate but the restriction still appears, the next step is to contact Tinder support. For that, navigate to your profile page, then click on the settings icon given at the top right. Scroll all the way down until you find the option Contact Us. Now click on Help and Support. Explain your issue to get assistance. Keep in mind that if you are under 18, Tinder will not allow you to create an account. If all else fails, you can try creating a new Tinder account with the correct birth date and consider using a different login method, like switching from Facebook to Google or Apple ID. Remember that deleting your old account permanently erases matches and chat history, so only do this as a last resort. Following these steps should help resolve Tinder's age restriction issue. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.